Did you know that the liver is the only organ in the human body capable of regenerating itself? That said, it's not invincible. Ignoring its health can lead to serious consequences. First up, fatigue. It's not just about feeling sleepy. When the liver struggles, it fails to detoxify the body effectively, resulting in a persistent tiredness that doesn't go away with sleep. Moving on to number 2, skin and eyes turning a shade of yellow. This condition, known as jaundice, occurs when bilirubin, a byproduct of old red blood cells, builds up because the liver can't process it out fast enough. Third on the list is abdominal pain and swelling. This isn't your regular stomach ache. When the liver is damaged, it can cause swelling in the abdomen, a condition known as ascites, making the belly feel uncomfortably full and bloated. Fourth, dark urine. If your liver is healthy, your urine should be a pale straw color. A darker hue might indicate that the liver isn't filtering out toxins properly. And lastly, easy bruising or bleeding. A healthy liver produces proteins necessary for blood clotting. If it's damaged, you might notice that you bruise or bleed more easily than usual. To recap, the early warning signs of liver damage include persistent fatigue, yellowing of the skin and eyes, abdominal pain and swelling, dark urine, and easy bruising or bleeding. Keeping an eye out for these symptoms can be crucial in preventing more serious liver issues. Always consider consulting a healthcare provider if you notice any of these signs.